Hey guys, how you doing? Tony D here, Tacogolf, and stay tuned because I'm going to turn my garage floor for my golf simulator into a putting green. So stay tuned. I'm going to make this into a putting green with 4 holes in each corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these workout mats here. These mats are 1.25 inches thick and they're interlocking. And I'm going to take these workout mats and I'm going to use it as a subfloor, and I'm going to put it all around this area here, which is a total of 133 square feet. This mat is actually a workout mat, like a MMA mat, and then the turf that's going to go on top of it is another 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to have almost 1.75 inches of depth so that I could pop the holes in there for a putting green. The floor completely done. As you can see there, it takes up all of that space. The interlocking mats were very, very easy to put in, as you can tell. If you can put a jigsaw puzzle together, you can definitely put this together. As you can see here, I finally got my turf. This is the turf here that I'm gonna lay right on top of that. I'm gonna actually put it upside down, and I'm gonna have it mirror the mat that's on the floor. I'm gonna mirror it, and then that's where I'm gonna start doing my cutouts. As you can see, I already kind of put the holes in their appropriate areas. I marked them with a white Sharpie pen. And then for my hitting strip, I did the exact same thing. That's kind of where I wanted to put the hitting strip, right smack dab in the middle. Well, as you can see, I got the finished product right here. This is my complete redesigned sim room and brand new putting green. It's 144 square feet in total. I got 4 holes, 1 in each corner. You can practice anything from a 2-foot putt to a 15-foot putt. This was a do-it-yourself job, guys, and I'm so proud of myself that I was able to do this all by myself. It took me all day to do it. It took me about 3 hours to do it on my own because I had to cut in different places. I had to make a lot of precise cuts and things like that to make sure that it was going to fit properly, and that was kind of tedious and it took some time, but I mean, look at the result. It came out absolutely wonderful.